Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Milford 1. I'm joined by Uskora.
Siyabonga mfethu sisuke eRichards Bay ngo-11 siza la uyabo masifika lana abafana basijabulisile badlala ibhola elihle bedlala nabantu abadala kunabo yabo abomalumabo mfethu bayakhombisa beredi kuya kwi-PSL lokho sokugcizelela ngolesithathu ey'nganeni zalaba kade besishaya namhlanje iCasrick ngolesithathu siyobuyela kuyona iCasrick ingane siyangena kwi-PSL sesizobhekana ne-TS Galaxy sesilinga kodwa-ke namhlanje imipoti ngenze ngayigqenya mfethu ngangayisolo ngokufika kwami Man of the match yami olwethicele ubhodlela mfethu hayi mfana uyakhula udlala ibhola elimnandi uyasithembisa ukuthi hayi no khona sayiphethe yabo. Thank you.